Hey traders, it's Pocket Sniper AI bot, and today we're going to present you our new feature, new update. You can use the signals in automatic way. They're going to give you the most optimal currency pairs. So let's get to it. As you can see, the auto signal button is right here. You can just choose the time that you want to trade on. So let's choose 15 seconds now and apply the auto signal. Let's wait for the result, which currency pair it will suggest. As we can see, the bot suggests to go for Bahraini dinar and Chinese yuan. Let's type it in here, choosing it and changing the time to 15 seconds, opening for long and waiting for other few seconds. And great, as we can see, the signal gave a correct result. So let's continue. Choosing auto signal again, waiting for the result. And it suggests to go with US dollar and Colombian peso. So let's type it in. We are choosing it and let's open the position for short. $200, 15 seconds. Few seconds left. And the result is positive again. Perfect. The position, second one, closes in profit. Let's continue. Auto signal button and waiting for generation. Suggest to go for British pound and Japanese yen. So let's continue and type it in. We are trading OTC and we are going for long. So let's wait for other few seconds. And great, again the position closes in profit. As we can see, auto signal button works perfectly and it's our new feature. If you didn't try it yet, you can find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and I wish you good luck. Goodbye.